Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I've got a product from EC Cosmetics. Those of you following me on Instagram have seen this post. They talk about this being a gel polish and it wears, I believe, 10 days. So I'm going to give this a good test. Obviously it's not a gel polish because it's in a clear bottle. Dead giveaway that it's not gel, but perhaps they're meaning that it performs like a gel polish. No light is needed. They talk about the pretty diamond bottle, and I have to say I was intrigued by this bottle, and it is hooked on there tight. Hang on, let me get this off. Okay. And let's see. There's no bowl in here, so I assume that you don't shake it. We'll give it a stir because it has gel. It has glitter in it. I'm going to give this a test. I won't do any artwork, just give it a test. They said to buff and prep your nails, so I'm assuming they meant to buff. They showed a buffer in the ad. They showed, and they said cleanse your nails, so I used my nail prep for gel. This is the brush. It talks about something special about the hole, and I believe they mean the tiny hole. I'm not really sure. This was bought off of AliExpress. The EC Cosmetics from Anna. I will link the store down below, and let's just try this out and see how it works. So if you do it normally, it's going to come out rather clear. I'm making a mess. This is supposed to be a peel-off polish. There's plenty on this side. It's supposed to be a gel. It doesn't feel like a gel. It doesn't feel like a regular polish. I'm intrigued. I'm very intrigued. One of the colors says it lasts for 10 days. One says 4 weekends. So I'll update you on how long this lasts for me. Let me get these colored in and I'll be right back with you. I'm going to show you doing it over one shiny nail. It's not top coated, it's just shiny gel. Because gel normally sticks to gel. We will see if it stays on a shiny nail. These have one coat, they're still drying. I'm finding this very small and hard to deal with. That's just me. And this is my dominant hand. But you can see how it applies. It applies more like, it's something in between. To get good coverage, I would need to put a few layers or a thicker layer. I did a little bit thicker here. I'm saying this is so awkward. And to put it back in the bottle, I'm having a hard time with aiming for that tiny hole on the brush. And I'm not seeming to get any of the big chunks picked up. Maybe it's user error. Maybe I need to stir it some more. But I'm thinking it's the design of the hole. I'm not sure. I'm not an expert on these things. But it definitely doesn't apply like regular polish. It doesn't apply like gel polish. It's some kind of, it applies like a peel-off polish. This is a peel-off polish. It's advertised as gel and it's supposed to last me 10 days. So we will see if it's 10 days or how many weekends it says. I'll put it on the screen, the details. You'll be seeing this in quite a few videos. Okay, let's go on and let you see number 2. This one I'm going to have to let dry. I'm putting it on quite a bit thicker. I'm going to do a variety of methods. See, when you rub it off on your other nail, it just flakes off. So that's pretty cool. This is fun to play with, I admit. Okay, I'm getting some big chunks now. Nice, nice, nice. Try not to do any designs. And this is the chunkiest glitter that they had. Finding it really hard to get back into the bottle, see? Is that normal for y'all? I'm just totally confused at getting it back in that bottle. I may test out the other colors. They have some that are solids, some that have see, getting it back in that bottle. I'm telling you. Of course, my shaky hands could have a lot to do with it. Oh, thumbnail. And this is my own experiment because from what their pictures show, you shouldn't have a shiny nail surface, just like with gel polish. So we will see. Well, that's a cute polish anyways. We don't know if it performs yet. I'll keep you updated in future videos. I'll try not to touch it. It didn't say that I needed to top coat it. I may go in and top coat 1 or 2 nails in different ways. I don't know yet. It said 1-step gel polish. I know just by looking at it, it can't be gel because it doesn't cure in a lamp. But it's a unique product. I like it so far. Had trouble with application, but who doesn't have trouble occasionally? You can see some good chunky glitters in there. Maybe I'll dab on a few more chunkies in here. It seems to take a while to dry, but it's not gel. I'm not curing it in a lamp. Can't seem to get out the chunkies. Oh well, there'll be more chunkies for me later. I have to admit, it's a cute color. The chunky got on the edge. This is not really gel, I can get rid of that. I won't put any extra on those two. These two are just 2 regular thin coats. I don't like glitter touching my nail. I don't like glitter touching my skin. So I've got to get that off of there. I have a glitter that I was going to do a design with, but I don't know now that it's taken so long to dry. Maybe in a future video we'll try out a little design. I'll update you on how long this takes to wear off, peel off, and 2 regular coats, 2 thick coats, and over an unbuffed nail as I go along throughout my days. Again, this was EC Cosmetics. I purchased this from the Anna Leung store on AliExpress. This is color number A455. I'll try to link it below. That's a gorgeous color, gotta admit. Maybe I'll get used to using it. Well, until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.